Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a RSSS tribute car. It's not, we know it's not original big block super sport. We believe it was actually an original rally sport with the hideaway headlights. This car's only got 52 miles on a complete body up restoration. The nice thing is the resto was actually done, well, I guess I shouldn't say that. Most of the restoration was actually done by a shop not too far from here. So we do kind of have access to kind of find out exactly what they did. I don't think they painted it, and I think the interior was still done, was already done on the car, but I think most of the drivetrain stuff, that's what they did to it. Beautiful tuxedo black paint on the car. It's got red vinyl interior. These are actually brand new wheels and tires. Previous owner wanted to keep his wheels and tires. They were a little bit bigger. I wasn't a big fan of them. So when we bought the car, we actually, he kept his wheels and tires. So those are brand new, 18-inch chrome Laguna wheels. You can see it's got a cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. These are functional hideaway headlights, and the reason I think this car was original hideaway headlight car is because it's got the vacuum canisters and everything in it, and they do work. They're slow because this car does have a pretty good sized cam in it, as you'll hear when we fire it up, but they do work. A couple little marks on the bumpers. Again, body and the body paint and interior have actually been done for a while. And then, like I say, the customer actually sent this car to Revenant Motors and actually had them redo a lot of stuff on it. Dual chrome mirrors. Looks like new front windshield. I know we still got to get the wipers hooked up. I don't think they ever hooked them up. Or they might just need to be parked. I can't remember what it is, but there's something on the wipers that we got to do. Hat rack looks good. Stainless around the windows looks good. Rear deck spoiler. They've got this painted flat black like it should be for a big block car, but this is not an original big block car, guys. More of a resto mod. It's got tubular front control arms. And I tell you what, the bottom of this car is fresh. They just went through the suspension and stuff on it. You can see it sits good. It's actually got 2-inch drop spindles on the front. It's got a Wilwood disc brake kit with slotted and drilled rotors. And this got pretty good sized tire on it, so you can't crank the wheel all the way around. They will rub if you cut it too tight. Yeah, the car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got great sound. It's got a good sounding big block in this car. Again, you can see the Wilwood disc brake kit with the slotted and drilled rotors. Again, it's got tubular control arms. This is a 396, and it's a healthy 396, guys. This thing hits. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. You can see it's got the Weiand Street Warrior aluminum intake, nice camshaft in it, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, it's got tubular control arms. If I see them down there. Aluminum radiator with the shroud, HEI distributor. And again, it's got the vacuum canisters on it. K&N air cleaner, chrome valve covers. And you can see those disc brakes, there's no miles on it. The car's only got 52 miles on it since they actually got it done. Steel cowl hood. Paint's pretty slick on it. There's a couple little touch-up marks that you can kind of pick at on it, but pretty darn nice. Little door rubbers. I put new rubbers on it, but that top piece is kind of pulled away. Bucket seat, center console. You know what? They might have added the center console and the tach and gauges too. I think they did that because that stuff's all new. It's got the Hurst shifter in it. Sport wheel. You can see it. I don't know, you see it says 52. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it in here. That's why I hate shooting videos in here. Tach works. Retrosounds radio, it works. These gauges work. We got to get a new wire for the temp gauge. Other than that, it works. But the oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge, voltmeter gauge worked. All brand new chamber dual exhaust. That's brand stinking new. 12 bolt 355 limited slip rear axle. It's all spackle coated in here like it should be. As always, I will have pictures posted at the bottom of the car as well. Yeah, it doesn't like that sun or the light up against the window. Sorry. Here, get it. Yeah. Very, very nice underneath. Like I say, they just redid all that. You'll see in the pictures, it looks good. There we go. Hopefully I can shut that thing off. Touch something. These touch screens are so sensitive. Radio worked. Can't see a check the motor, but the gauges were working except for that gauge. You gotta run a different wire for it. Get nice. There you go. Now I can hear that cam working. Car's got real good sound. Lights are all working, tach works in there, radio does work. Radio works, like I say, car holds good oil pressure. Check on the wipers. Like I said, I think they got to be recarved. Again, the hideaways do work. They work slow. As you're driving down the road, they're actually going to work better. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.